How do I make a hair rubber band into a beautiful scrunchies? First, let's start with the scrunchies. The size for scrunchies is 55 by 8 cm. I'm using satin fabric because satin fabric is the best for making scrunchies. Fold it in half and sew a straight line. How to turn a fabric using a safety pin? You can do it like this. Prepare a hair rubber band. I still use safety pin. Then randomly sew a hair rubber band. Close the scrunchies. Don't worry about the seam, here it will be hidden once we attach the beautiful tail. Now we are going to make template for the beautiful tail. Prepare a paper with the size 18 by 7 cm. Mark 9 cm from upper left. Mark 2 cm on the side. 7 cm from lower left. Cut out the template and your template is ready to go. Draw the template on the fabric. Sew a curvy line. Cut out the shape. Trim all the curvy part to make the tail less bulky after we turn it inside out. Use pointy stuff to push the inside. Press the fabric. The center part, fold it back, and the fourth then tie it with sewing thread. To finish scrunchies, prepare a small piece of fabric, 8 by 4 cm. Then sew it for finishing. Cut the excess fabric. Flip it over. You can hide all the seam this way. That's it. Our scrunchies with the beautiful tail is finished.